welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry, and today we're going to be doing something fun. We're going to be doing something easy. We're going to be doing something that the kids can do. But before I get started, let me just say, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, you are in the right spot. So go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. All right, so today I thought Easter's coming up. It's springtime. What a fun time. Do something with the kids. We're going to make little cookies that look like bugs. Well, we're not going to make the cookies. Cookies are already made. We're just going to decorate them to make them look like bugs. So I'm going to do little beetles, ladybugs, and bumblebees. So I need 3 different colors of white chocolate. So what you're going to need is vanilla almond bark, chocolate almond bark, and Oreos, or the cheap brand as I have. And I've also got some little mini chocolate chips. Left over from Halloween, I have some little eyeball decorations we're going to use. And then I also have some little fruit slices that I just kind of cut in half and we made little wings out of. So I need the almond bark to be yellow, probably purple I think I'm going to do, and a red. So I've got my chocolate already melted down, or my almond bark I should say. I'm going to go ahead and add some food coloring to this. Now I did this in my little chocolate melter that I love, but you can also do this in a double boiler or in the microwave. So I'm just going to add some food coloring. Maybe a little bit more. So I'm just going to keep adding until I get it the color that I like. All right, that looks good. So for the red ones, I'm going to go ahead and take my cookies, and we're just going to dip it about halfway. I'm going to place it on my parchment paper, and then I'm going to take my little mini chocolate chips, and these are going to be the little dots for our ladybug. So you can make as many or as little as you like. The other thing I need to add here are our eyeballs. So I'm just going to dip this, hopefully not get my whole finger in there. And there's our eyeball right there. But we need 2 of them, don't we? Alright. Same with the other one. Well, he kind of looks like he has a bloody eye. So I'm going to go ahead and do these, and I'm going to go ahead and do the yellow ones. I'm going to mix some up that has the yellow food coloring and the purple food coloring. And then those I'm going to go ahead and refrigerate, and after they've cooled off, we'll finish decorating those. So I'm going to make a few more of these. All right, I finished all my bugs as far as painting their little bodies, or dipping them in chocolate, I should say. So these are my little beetles. So I just dipped those the same as I did the red, and then while it was still wet, I went ahead and put the wings on. So I'm going to set those aside. And then I showed you how to do the ladybugs. The only thing that we need to finish up are our little bumblebees. So I've got my little Pampered Chef chocolate drizzler. So I just took a little, I only needed a little bit, so I just went ahead and melted this in the microwave. And then this works just like, oh, what do you call one of those things? A syringe. So I'm going to test this right here along the side and see what happens. Looks like I had quite a bit of air bubble in there. All right, there we go. Now I can make some stripes, which I'm not very good at. Maybe I should start over here and push. There, that's better. So I need to start on the side. So that one didn't turn out too good. Let me get some more chocolate in here. All right, let's try this again. I'm going to move this out of the way. Move this little guy out of the way. Ooh, he has a little spot on him. Let's see if we can cover that up. I guess you get the idea though, right? I'm not perfect. They're still cute. They're still really cute. That one was better. Better. I'm getting better. I think it just takes a little bit of practice. But either way, the kids are going to have fun with these. Right? See if we can get one more across the top. I think they're super cute. What do you think? Let's keep this so you can see them all. I think they're really, really cute. So we got our bumblebees, our ladybugs, and our little beetles. How cute, right? Super cute. I'm going to have to save these for when I see the grandkids. All right, that's all for today. I hope you guys have fun with that. Give it a try. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.